Welcome to TASKAE, your smart, all-in-one business management platform. In this video, we'll guide you through how to manage your projects, from tasks and milestones to team collaboration and progress tracking, all inside the TASKAE project management module. Let's get started. And this is our project management dashboard. And here, the tasks, the projects are all incorporated into just one place. And here we have a not very detailed, but a very superficial view of how we are performing. So, as a project management, this is important to glance at to see where we are at this point. So here we can see the total projects, the total tests, the number of total bugs, total users. Here you can see the visualized form of our tasks overview, how we are performing in terms of tasks, where we are, the project status, and the tasks themselves. We are heading to projects, and then project. So these are all the projects created, and this is the grid view. And here we can see the project name, the status of it, the members, which are basically the assignees, the tasks I incorporated into this one project. And here we've got filtering options, either all or ongoing or finished or on hold. So based on their status, let's now head to projects and project report. So this is basically a more visualized version of the previous one, because here we've also got the percentage of our progress and the status. So here again, the project name, the start date, the due date, the deadline, the project members, again, the assignees, the progress with percentages, project status. Here you can see the ongoing, finished, on hold, and the actions. In this case, it's only view. And let's also head to system setup. And this is done again by admin only. So here you set the test stages and their respective color coding. So in this case, to do is blue and progress is green. Review is pink and done is yellow. But you are free to change this, and you are free to also add some stages on your own. If you can also go to backstage, and we have here uncomfortable, confirmed, and progress, resolve, verified. This is already done by the admin when tasks are submitted, and here again, you are free to change the color coding and to understand how all these work together in practice. Let's take a look at individual projects. Let's say this newsletter template. So here on top, we can see the project name, we can see the start and due dates, we can see the number of team members, the status in this case is on hold, and the actions that we can perform. As administrators, below you can see the days left for the project, the budget dedicated to it, and the total tasks and comments left. Under it, you can see the team members separately and the clients. And then you can see the milestones that the team has achieved over the course of the period, over the mentioned timeline. And then the activity again over the mentioned timeline. On top, you can see the visualized table of the progress of the team and how they are performing, and the number of vendors here, files, if there are any. In this case, they don't exist. And on top, there are a couple of actions that you can also perform as an admin. You can change the view to Gantt chart and also have a task board. There are some other actions, such as viewing the spreadsheet, or doing the business mapping, or copying this project, going to the settings, or using the Google Drive, or OneDrive for getting some data, or saving some files. And that's it. And that's it about Dash Stats for today. If you have any questions left, don't forget to drop them in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.